A 2.9% growth is expected for FET by August 9, Gov Capital shows. Let's start things off with a brief look at today's market behavior. At this moment, FET is up by 2.3% and is floating near $0.1379. It's time for expert takes on the market. The forecast by Gov Capital points to $0.1421 tomorrow, a level that's nearly 2.9% higher than now. Coin price forecast suggests FET could move toward 14 cents, gaining approximately 1.4%. CoinCodex points out it could reach $0.1391, a projected increase of 0.7%. Another estimate from CoinDataFlow highlights FET might drop to $0.1376, about 0.4% below now. And to end, CoinLore projects $0.1333 by August 9, a projected drop of 3.5%. This is the most profitable forecast in the entire lineup. That's all for the forecast calls. Let's continue the analysis. With all expert forecasts in, here's what it adds up to. The shared data from these forecasts suggests the market could move from a decrease of 3.5% to an increase of 2.9%, depending on the analyst. It turns out, CoinLore has the highest expected return with 3.5% gain in value by tomorrow. To sum it up, you could receive between $4 and $35 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at probabilities, CoinDataFlow's forecast ranks as the strongest with an 89.8% chance of success. From the 5 independent forecasts, I've shaped a combined view of the market. The consensus outcome points to FET being valued at roughly $0.1384. Here are the details. The consensus estimate indicates a 0.2% rise in price given the latest forecasts. Put another way, your capital may also advance by 0.2% in line with that forecast. For a 1,000 setup, the forecast might correspond to $2 gained. Based on the forecasts, the probability of this consensus outcome being realized is near 90.7%. At this point in the video, let's uncover the 3-day scenarios analysts anticipate. According to Gov Capital, the short-term direction points upward. The scenario from Coin Price Forecast also shows the price climbing. FET is projected to gain further, CoinCodex also suggests. CoinDataFlow highlights building pressure to the downside. Meanwhile, CoinLore expects losses to extend. Taking all opinions together, the consensus indicates FET is tilted upward across the coming 3 days. Overall, most analysts lean toward a bullish scenario for FET. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see how they aligned with yesterday's outcome. As a result, the daily candle closed at $0.1377. Because the market moved that way, every forecast was correct about the direction. If we go by precision, CoinDataFlow had the best forecast. Now we move from the overview to the specifics. Just one analyst's outlook fit within yesterday's span. When it comes to ROI, every forecast showed gains across the board. Now appearing is the full summary, the verified outcome for all analysts. CoinDataFlow posted $3,394 accuracy and 1.2% ROI with 83.7% forecast probability. See if you can spot which analyst handled it best this time. Now let's check how the projected returns for tomorrow line up between FET and a few alternatives. At 4th place we find FET, while SUI continues to lead at 1.6%. This section compares FET to 4 random cryptocurrencies. A much broader view of forecasted returns is already displayed on my website. Big thanks for staying till the end. If this gave you a clearer view, a like would be the perfect feedback. Catch you later.